Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you on how to sell your PulseX, PulseChain, or any other crypto on the PulseChain network. So initially what you're going to want to do is go on PulseChain.com, and it's going to bring you to this main menu where you have the Explorer, the Bridge, the Validator, and the PulseX exchange. We're only going to be needing to use the Bridge and the PulseX exchange. So we're going to go ahead and go on to PulseX right now. And so it's going to bring you over to the PulseX exchange. And what you're going to want to do is basically sell your PulseX or PulseChain over to a stable coin on the PulseChain network. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to sell 20,000 PulseX for 1.6 DAI. The reason why we want to do that is because it's a stable coin and it's much safer to go through this process rather than a coin that oscillates in price. So to change what you want to sell the PulseX for, you go here, you can choose what you want to sell. You can either sell it for a wrapped PLS or you can sell it for the DAI, right? And so we connect our wallet, go through the validators, and now you're going to have DAI on the PulseChain network on your MetaMask wallet. Once you have that down, we're going to go back to PulseChain.com and then click on the bridge. It's going to bring you over to this page. And now after you connect your wallet, you can see on the top right corner, if it shows your address, your wallet is connected. It's very simple. You just click two buttons. Now you're going to sell your DAI. You can go click right here, choose what you want to sell, but we're selling DAI, and you put the amount of DAI you want to sell, and then it's going to send it over to the Ethereum network, which is now you're going from the PulseChain network to the Ethereum network. It's called bridging, right? And so we want to sell 2 DAI, and we click on create transaction. There's just 2 buttons. It'll be very simple for you guys to do, and now you guys will have DAI on the Ethereum network. And then you can just sell the DAI on your MetaMask or on your Coinbase, whatever you'd like. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.